Today, friends, you will be logging into Scholastic News and you'll be reading an article about butterflies and their migration. So what you will do is select Log In once you come to this screen. And you'll want to select I am a student. Here you will type in our classroom code, which is linked on the Google slide. It's important that you make sure there are no spaces when you type this in, or you might have difficulty logging in. Hit the blue sign in. You will click the issue that says butterflies are back. Once here, click butterflies are back again. And you have 4 things that you will be doing, or 4 steps that you will complete when doing this assignment. Okay, the first step, watch the video. Click the orange button that says video. This is a video about the life of a butterfly. Second step, do the vocabulary. This is where you will be taught what some of the important vocabulary words are in the article, Butterflies Are Back. Third, you're going to listen to the text. So click the arrow. Remember, when you want to hear the text, click the Read Aloud button at the top, and it will read to you. When you want to stop, hit pause. When you want to play again, hit play. When you want to zoom in and make the text larger, click zoom in. When you get all the way to the end, you will click this arrow. And this is a picture of what you will send to me. So you are going to read about the steps in the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. The words below each photograph are the important words that tell you about that step in the monarch butterfly's life cycle. You will use that information to answer these 4 questions. Take a picture, send it to me. 4th step, play the game. This is a game that's going to help us practice capitalizing words. We know this year from our lessons together that we capitalize names. And remember, you probably remember even saying that with me. I capitalize names. So you know there are some words that get a capital letter and some words that don't get a capital letter. And names are an example of one of those types of words that get a capital letter. Names of people, names of places, names of months, names of days. So, oops, thought I was on the game. Click start. And down below, monarch blank are so beautiful. We have the word butterflies in both of our option choices. Do we do it with a capital or without a capital? Well, monarch is the name. I capitalize names. Monarch is our name, and it already has the capital letter. Butterfly is not our name, so we do not need to capitalize it. And then you'll click the arrow to get to the next question. All right, so when you have done those 4 steps, step 1, video, step 2, vocabulary, step 3, read the article, do the quiz, and send me a pic, and step 4, play the game, you are all finished with your Scholastic News assignment. Make it a great day, friends.